Hi, this is Mark DeLeese, and I want to introduce you to my License Guard software. I'm opening this up for everybody else to use. I've been using it for a couple years now to protect all of my softwares and WordPress plugins. Most of you know who have purchased my softwares and plugins that I'm able to protect them by, first of all, that you have to have a unique username and password to activate your software or your WordPress plugin. Not only that, but I'm also able to limit you of how many domains you can have it installed on, or if it's a desktop application, I can limit you on how many desktops you can have my software running on or activated on. In this video, I'm going to show you just a little glimpse of what I mean by this. For example, most of you know that I have made a plugin called the Traffic Player. So if I were to activate this WordPress plugin, I've installed it and I activate it. And as you come down over here, here's the settings page. So if I click on that, you'll notice that on the settings page, it's asking for a activation code. Now this is your ClickBank receipt. Now this here is the member area of the License Guard software. And what will happen is that when a person purchases a ClickBank product, it'll automatically register them inside the License Guard software, and it'll set up their ClickBank receipt as the activation key. Okay. And when you set up the product, you put the ClickBank item number here and the default limit. If you want them just to only have 3 installs on domains, or if it's just a 1 domain limit, default 0 means it's unlimited. They can install it on unlimited domains. Or if it's a desktop application, they can run it on 3 computers or whatever. Okay. You can see here as well that it also works really well with Warrior Plus WSOs. I've tested this myself personally, and it works actually really good. It works better than PayPal, straight PayPal. And so it works really clean and crisp with the WSOs using Warrior Plus. And here's the instructions exactly how to set it up. For example, if I were to enter in any type of number here and I click on activate, it's going to come back as activation code is invalid. And if I were to enter in a real one and click on activate, you can see now it says activation finished successfully, and now I can, it's the whole plugin is now activated and you can run it. Okay, you can see here that in the License Guard software, you add your products. You can manually add users as well. So if you want to give a JV copy to somebody, or you want to offer it as a bonus, you can also manually have people set up. If it's not manually, it's auto set up. So whenever a Warrior Plus sale is made, it'll automatically send this information to License Guard, and it'll email this person automatically, and it has an email notification script. It'll also generate a key for this person and email this customer their activation key, all on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. Same with ClickBank, same with One Shopping Cart, obviously. And when you manually set it up, obviously you're manually creating the key yourself. So that's how it's set up. Now when you come back here to the home page, you'll notice that it works with Warrior Plus WSOs, with ClickBank, with One Shopping Cart, and also with PayPal. If there's other merchant accounts or checkouts or gateways that you want to use, I can if it has an IPN, I can set up with that as well. But in the meantime, this WSO and this video is mainly for these four services: for WordPress WSO, ClickBank, One Shopping Cart, or PayPal. Again, if you want to protect your licensing of your softwares, if you want to limit your softwares from being shared, if you want to limit the amount of domains that your softwares can be installed on, if you want to totally deactivate a user totally because they've refunded, this does it. This script does it. This has cost me over $30,000 to develop in hours and in labor, and it's also saved me hundreds of thousands of dollars. People I know who have purchased my plugins, they buy a single site license thinking that they can install it on unlimited domains like they've done elsewhere. Well, they can't do that here. If you buy a one domain license from me, you can only install that plugin on one domain. That's it. License Guard will limit you so that you cannot install it on two domains or 3 or 4 or what have you. And so it really, you'll have customers emailing you saying, hey, I want to upgrade to an unlimited license or a 10 domain license or whatever you have it set up as. I have inside the members area, in the members area, I have set up a complete video tutorials on how to do everything. It's straightforward, and here's the, it has training videos, and I give you the code to set it up, to license your script. Also, I have support, so if you need help in coding, we can provide that for you. We're not going to do it for you, but we can give guidance. Obviously, if you want us to do the coding all together for your softwares, there would be a small nominal fee determining on the complexity of your WordPress plugin or software. But most of it, for a WordPress plugin, I give the code and I give a video instruction. It's basically a copy and paste, and it's very, very simple. You can do it yourself and with not even a great deal of coding experience. So that is License Guard. This is on sale, and I greatly encourage you, if you're into any type of marketing and selling of WordPress plugins, of softwares, of desktop applications, anything that has a network connection, you can license your softwares and your plugins using License Guard soft. There's nothing on the market today that will do this, and this is available to you right now. Thank you.